Happy Saturday! So, ano bang gagawin natin today? I'm just warming up the car and then magpapagawa tayo ng nails. So, dahil malapit na yung birthday, wala lang. Papagawa lang tayo ng nails. Maganda lang. And as you can see, the sun is up. Pero sobrang lamig pa din. Like, it's -2. Pero maaraw. Still grateful kasi at least, feeling energized tayo today, but malamig pa din. It's a bit windy. I have to get cash first. So, mag-withdraw muna tayo ng cash. Because most ng nail salons dito, by the way, here in Canada, well, I'm not sure if all over Canada, but at least dito sa area ko, if you pay cash, hindi na sila nag-a-add ng tax. So, yeah, let's do that, para wala ng taxes. So, guys, I'm on my way now to the nail salon and nakakuha na ako ng cash. So, medyo maaga pa, but, so medyo chill lang tayo. I'll just drink my matcha. So nice, diba? Nice matcha. So, I'm happy because I don't have to buy anymore. And, make sure ko pa na gusto ko talaga yung lasa ng drink ko. So, di na ako madi-disappoint. Happens all the time with matcha kasi, ewan ko, not a lot of like coffee shops or cafe, I guess, use a quality matcha powder. Or baka hindi lang nila alam yung tamang pagtimpla or, there's always something missing. So, now I get to do my own matcha and I'm happy and nakakatipid pa ako. So, anyways, let's drive. Sana di kayo mahulog. Okay, we're now here sa plaza and pasok na tayo. I'm back. Kakatapos na natin magpa-nails and bless kay Ninang. Joke lang. It's so nice. I love it. So, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, pero may French tip siya. So, it's a mixture of, well, as per my nail tech, she used Funny Bunny and regular white French tip. So, I'll show you guys. So, this is what it looks like. Ganyan. Hi guys, I am home. So, later, aalis na naman tayo, but I'm not sure kung makakapag-film ba ako, but we'll see. Obviously, if makakapag-film ako, I'll include it here in this vlog. If not, then I guess we're just gonna be filming the whole week, and yeah. So, right now, I'm just waiting for Matthew. Alis kami before the rush hour kasi, my gosh, super traffic. Anyways, I'll show you guys how sunny it is today. I'm so happy na may sun and it's not gloomy. Pero malamig pa rin, still windy, but that's fine. It's part of it. lang.
Bro, talk before my talk.
Happy birthday!
Oh, sorry. It's your birthday. We gon' party like this your birthday. We gon' get the party like this your birthday. If I need it, good. Birthday girl.
27!
Thank you. Thank you. Wow, thank you. Cheers.
Hey, it's your girl Roxy, and today is my birthday! Yay! Oh gosh, I know what to feel. But all I'm sure of is that I am so grateful. Thank you, Lord, for another year, and I'm just heading to church now, again to thank God for all the blessings and for blessing me with another year. 27 years of existence here on earth, and I'm so grateful. And yeah, so we're just heading to church, say a little prayer, and then we'll get probably coffee or matcha. I don't know. We'll get some drinks. Tapos, we'll get gas sa Costco. So, you guys are coming with me. And I don't know, hindi ko alam kung paano kayo isasama while I'm driving. Kasi hindi pa dumadating yung phone holder ko, and yung phone, my camera keeps falling off. So, yeah. So, bye for now.
Hey guys, so apparently my mic wasn't turned on at that time, so there's no audio in this video, so let's just voice record it. So I'm just basically saying how grateful I am because sobrang sunny nung time na yan and sobrang nice ng weather. It was actually 14 degrees. So hindi siya windy, hindi rin, super lamig. Tapos yung warmth pa nanggagaling sa sun. It was really nice. It's such a beautiful weather on my birthday, and I was so grateful. And this time I was just saying that I claimed my birthday beverage. So as you know, if it's your birthday and you have a Starbucks up, you have a free beverage. So this time I tried a Dubai chocolate inspired beverage. So it's iced matcha latte with almond milk and chocolate cold foam on top, and then just requests for 4 pumps of pistachio syrup for a venti sized drink. And surprisingly, guys, not all the time I customize my drink, but I thought I was intimidated at first. I was scared that it was sweet, but it's not. Like, obviously, it's still sweet, but hindi siya yung parang nakakaumay na tamis. So it was just the right sweetness for me. And yeah, I was so happy about it. I was so happy I tried, and you guys should give it a try too if you're interested. Guys, we're here at Costco. So guys, I'm here at Metro dahil magluluto tayo ng steak for dinner and bibili ako ng side dish. So, I'm thinking of potato salad or something else. So, wait. So guys, I'm looking for potato salad. Hey girlies, I am back home. So kanina again, pumunta tayong church. Oh, well, we passed by Starbucks to get some drinks. Well, a drink. I still haven't finished it. And then nag-church tayo. I said parang ano lang sana ko, parang magdasal lang. But then may 6 p.m. mass pala, so nag-attend na rin ako ng mass, and then after that, I passed by Costco to get some gas, and now we're home, and again, like what I said kanina, we'll cook steak for dinner. I got potato salad and sushi on the side kasi bigla ko na napakrave. So right now, samahan niyo ako magluto ng steak and gawa ng gravy. Okay? I put butter, flour. So, nalagay na natin yung butter. And now, nalagay na rin natin yung flour. We'll just let it, parang cook yung flour for a bit. Let it, parang brownish. Ganyan. And then, add na natin yung ating water. We'll put yung ating cubes, chicken cubes. This is the only thing that I have. If you have beef cubes, I think that's better kasi steak yung lulutuin natin. But then, ito lang yung meron ako, so that's fine as well. So parang we're making instant chicken stock with the hot water and yung chicken cubes. Tapos, pagkatapos yan, we'll add some salt and pepper.
or maybe not salt kasi may chicken cubes na, medyo maalat na yun. So we'll add pepper. Again guys, I'm not an expert, pero ito yung way ko of like making instant gravy, kumbaga. I love pepper, so let's put a lot of it. Then we'll add Worcestershire sauce, just a little bit. And then a little bit of soy sauce. For the color. Okay na. Okay na to. Sarap. I like it. Gagawin na natin yung steak. And this one, I think it's T-bone. And we got it. It's ganyang kakapal siya. So we got it from our local meat shop. Well, here in Hamilton, Ontario, Samir's Bakery. No. So, Samir's Supermarket, namin siya kinuha. And it's so cheap, but really good quality. So, now we're just making sure na dry yung steak, yung meat natin. Kasi, yan yung magkakaroon siya ng magandang crust when it's real dry, you know? So, i-dry lang natin siya mabuti and then we'll season it with just salt and pepper. I forgot to buy a fresh rosemary earlier. So, what we're gonna do, yung rosemary lang yung gagawin natin. So, okay, we'll season it, salt and pepper. Make sure it's well seasoned. I love mine with lots of black pepper. Actually, kahit anong food, gusto ko talaga maraming black pepper. Kayo rin ba? Kayo rin ba, guys? Like, mahilig din ba kayo sa paminta? Uy! Ano ba yan? Joke. If you know, you know. So, let's just pat it a little bit para dumikit yung ating seasoning. There you go. And then, flip it over. Next side naman yung ating isi-season. Okay, so now na mainit na yung pan, we'll add olive oil or whatever oil you want to use. So, ayan. Feeling ko naman mainit na siya. We'll now add our first meat. Slowly. And don't flip it right away. You want to make sure na makuha niya yung parang brownish crust na gusto natin. Kasi maganda siya and it adds flavor, you know. After a few minutes, I think when you think it's ready, flip nyo na. Okay? So just slowly. Ayan, you see that? May crust na siya, diba? You wanna lay it flat like that. And then now, pwede nyo nang i-add yung butter. Ayan. And then yung thyme, I mean rosemary. This one naman is for aroma. And then we'll add lots of garlic just because we love garlic so much and kinakain namin talaga siya, guys. So hindi lang siya for aroma. It's really for eating. So ayan, naamoy ko na and it smells real good. So sobrang sarap ng garlic for me. Kayo ba? Mahilig ba kayo sa garlic? And it's healthy. So sobrang sarap niya. And then now, pwede nyo nang i-base yung meat nyo ng butter and garlic na nilagay na. Very simple lang naman talaga yung steak. Kailangan lang talaga may tama kang technique. Like, hindi mo pwedeng lagay yung steak ng parang hindi pa mainit yung mantika or yung oil nyo kasi nga hindi nyo makukuha yung crust na gusto nyo. Tapos, parang maluluto siya ng sobra. So, you wanna make sure parang yung fire nyo ay tama na. So, medium to high heat siya. Okay, medyo mahirap lang siyang i-base ha. I think I'm gonna have to use a different, yung longer yung handle. Kasi medyo napapaso ako. Ayan, this one's easier. Ang bango-bango niya. So, ayan. Very simple dinner at home. And then, we'll flip it again para yung other side naman yung i-turn natin i-base. Ayan. It smells so good. Kung naaamoy nyo lang, guys. I-try nyo, guys, yung recipe na to. Or like, not recipe, but like, yung way ko of cooking. And let me know in the comments if it's good, you know? Yung partner ko naman is really happy with my steak. And every time I cook steak, I'm scared pa din. I'm still a bit scared kung ano ba. Kung nakuha ko ba yung gusto kong doneness. Kasi for both my partner and I, we like a medium rare steak. And so far, every time nagluto naman ako ng steak, nakukuha ko naman siya. But every time we cut it, talagang kinakabahan pa din ako. And then with your steak pala, guys, you cannot eat it right away. Let it rest for like 5 minutes before you cut it or you eat it. Kasi nga, nagsiset pa siya. Let it set for a while. And then, nilalagay ko lang yung the rest of the butter and ayan. Oh my God. First one, done. a little bit of oil, olive oil, ganyan lang. Kasi we're still gonna put butter. And wala na tayong butter. Ubusin na natin. And lagay na natin ang ating asparagus. A little bit of pepper. And a little bit of salt. Ganun lang. Konting salt lang para lang ma-enhance yung flavor niya. Our asparagus is ready. So I finished cooking steak and asparagus. Bumili lang ako din ng, what is this? Na-miss ko lang yung sushi. So, it's Dynamite Crunch Roll from Metro. I think we're just gonna put yung half. So, ito yung sushi. So, this is what we have. That's the steak that we made earlier. Asparagus, and this one is the thicker steak. And then this is the potato salad that we got from Metro. And the sushi that we got from Metro as well. It's just the half of it because I'm sure we're not gonna finish that. And then some gravy that we did earlier, and of course we have some wine and the flowers that Matthew got me few days or like a week ago. This is what we have. Red wine for red meat. Simple dinner, but it's really special and really good.